Good morning, everybody. I'm Brian Iverson with MyCityLender Home Loans. Here as always with Shane Sauer from Blue Ink Title, and this is your weekly housing fast break. We'll get to the mortgage rates and economic news in just a moment, but first, here's Shane with your housing update. Good morning, Shane.
Hey Brian, good morning. A few things for you this morning, folks. Last week, we saw the market here in Maricopa County move one step closer to a true balanced market, according to Altos Research Incorporated. They are citing a 30 as a balanced market. We've just moved down from a 40 to a 39, which they still identify as a slight seller's market. The 90-day average list price in Maricopa County is now sitting at $590. That's $590K. This is the lowest we've seen since May of last year and marks the 20th straight week of declines in this category. Lastly, inventory was up again last week. We're now sitting at roughly the same numbers we saw in January of last year and have now seen steady gains over the past year. As I mentioned before, this all adds up to the fact that it's a great time to be in the market as a buyer. Inventory is up, prices are down a bit. All we need is interest rates to cooperate. Brian, what do you see on your front?
Thank you, Shane. Appreciate the update. Yeah, rates actually continue to improve ahead of the highly anticipated Fed meeting and rate cut that's coming up on the 18th of this month. Fed is widely expected to cut rates by at least a quarter point, with some experts now predicting they cut them by upwards of half a point. Right now, the average 30-year conventional mortgage rate is down to 6.27%, almost a quarter point lower compared with a week ago. Average FHA and VA rates are also down at 5.67% and 5.69%, again down about a quarter point compared to last week. If you currently have a mortgage with a rate in the high sixes or above, we believe this is the right time for a mortgage review. See how much you might be able to save by refinancing to a new lower rate. Also, with mortgage interest rates falling, we expect home inventory to start falling with increased competition and more home shoppers out there entering the market. If the right home comes up, this might be the time to consider making your move. In economic news, the stock market is in rally mode this week after last week's sharp declines. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up more than 600 points after plunging more than 1,200 last week. And finally, tomorrow we get the core inflation data for August, forecasted to be about 3.2%. CPI has been on a steady decline since March, and of course is a key driver of Fed monetary policy. That's it for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Hit us up with a comment down below. We'll see you right back here next week with your weekly housing fast break.